Oh, wow, the one in the background is humongous. Yesterday when I came through here, I like inhaled something. I don't know. Something. Let's see if I can go through here. Oh my goodness. Yes, I can. Yo, no blinker? There it is. There's like a whole community in here. Oh man, I almost died. What is that? And how have I never noticed it? Boop boop. Alright, I'm coming out. It's humongous. Hillcrest. Turn down Oakland. Stop sign. Holy smokes! It's huge! The Hillcrest. Oh my goodness. Nobody's ever shown me this. Like, I have never. Well, I have never. Hillside. Oh boy.